Good evening, everyone. Today I'm gonna try to be short because I'm cooking, so there might be some breaks for my cooking. I might post a picture somewhere over here. I'm gonna put what I'm actually cooking. Today I'm gonna be trying to be short, but I think that it is very important to talk about sleep, the importance of sleep. And why I'm saying that, because it was like 9:15, 9:20 that I came home today, and this is probably the earliest day that I came home this week. It is a very hard week for me, so in weeks like this, my sleep, of course, it's a little compromised as well, and I do feel tremendous difference. And as a person who's got a lot of experience with sleep deprivation, because I used to be a flight attendant for over 2 years in Qatar, and I know how very important the circadian rhythm is for us. And if you want to read more about sleep, there is a great book, Why Do We Sleep? I really recommend this book. Here. Yeah, I'll put the photo here. So why I'm talking about the sleep today? Because I'm very proud of myself. I've made good choice today. So the last 3 days, knowing that this is hell of a week for me, what I was doing, I was simply going every single evening after I finished either school or work. I was passing through the shops and I was going in and buying myself a Milka chocolate. If you know that I'm addicted to chocolate, I am addicted to chocolate. I'm a milkaholic. Yeah, there isn't even a picture where I've got chocolates all over me. So what I was doing, I was trying to compensate myself somehow for the lack of the energy, for the lack of sleep, the lack of time, and basically raising also my endorphins with that. So last 3 days, and if you know how the habits are developed, 3 days in a row of something, well, you're already getting into the habit. So guess what? I was coming back from school today, and as last 3 days I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just go and buy myself chocolate and I'm gonna go to sleep. But what is different today? Yesterday I went to sleep really early. I wasn't feeling well. The previous night I wasn't sleeping much. I wasn't sleeping well, and today today was the day where yesterday I went to sleep after 11, which is for me very early, and I woke up without the alarm, and this is one of the things that really makes me happy, and one of my goals in life is to have the life where I don't need the alarm. Maybe I simply need to go to bed earlier. Who knows? I know. But why I was proud of myself. Why I was proud of myself. The pepper. But it is also about cooking, and it is also about the pepper. So I decided that I'm not gonna buy chocolate today. So I was passing the shop, and there is one shop with vegetables before the supermarket where you can find my Milka chocolate. They don't have Milka chocolate in all the shops over here, so it is very terrible and terrifying, because once this shop runs out of Milka, there is like no Milka anywhere basically. So yeah, it's very scary place in States not to have Milka chocolate, and me without Milka. Anyway, so I was passing the vegetable shop, and there was a lot of fruits that were there just displayed in front of the shop, and I've seen beautiful strawberries. I thought that they were beautiful. Then I started looking at the packages, and they were like, meh. So I didn't buy strawberries. However, I did buy raspberries and blackberries, because they were really nice, as you can see. And I was like, yeah, that's gonna be my healthy alternative for the chocolate today. And I went inside, I bought some other vegetables, fruits, and so on, and some apples as well. And I left and passed the shop that has got the Milka, and went home and started cooking, because when I'm cooking, when I'm eating my home food instead of like the frozen stuff that I do when I don't have time to cook, I really do feel better. And I felt better already today with the sleep, and that's what made me, first of all, go through the day, which was still a long day, but made me go through the day much more smoothly, and it helped me to make good decisions. and it helped me to actually stay healthier. And this works like a domino effect. So we'll make one good decision, which for me was I'm gonna go to sleep earlier and I'm gonna prioritize my sleep, because I know that I'm gonna have also hell of a weekend and that it's gonna be long days that are coming up. So I made the choice, I'm gonna go to sleep earlier. I slept well, and then the whole day and whole process of making any decisions afterwards was like the domino effect of one good decision after the other, one good decision after the other. So please do prioritize your sleep. Please do sleep. It is very, very, very important. Yeah, and if you want to stay healthy, oh, I need to check on my pasta because yeah, I think it's cooking. Okay, turn off the pasta. So really do make, Quincy is always saying, make wise choices. Yes, make one good decision, let it influence the other decisions that you're gonna have to make throughout the day, and get motivated and get enough sleep. If you sleep well, you also tend to eat less, because if you don't sleep enough, what your body needs to do and craves to do is simply get energy from any other source. And the source normally is, normally it's not fruit, yeah? Normally it is the unhealthy fast food or snacks high in sugars and so on. And you've got this sugar high and sugar peak, and very, very rapidly it's gonna go down as well, and you're gonna feel even worse than before. So just this one decision of getting good night's sleep can really change a lot in your life. Therefore, go and sleep. And I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna eat and I'm gonna go to sleep, because tomorrow I need to wake up at 7. Yay! Kisses everyone, and enjoy your evening, day, or whichever time of the beautiful 24-hour cycle it is. Yeah, good night from me. Kisses! Okay, today I'm gonna try shortly again. I'll try, I promise I'm gonna try. But today I wanted to talk about good choices that are dictated by or with the lack of sleep. No. Rewind. Good choices that are dictated by not having the lack of sleep. Damn it, I'm gonna cut it down.